Microphone on button. App switcher. Swordy Quest active. Swordy Quest settings actions homepage heading.
Hey guys, what is going on guys? Welcome back to another video of Swordy Quest. So yeah guys, we're back with Swordy Quest. And yeah guys, before I start, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, subscribe, comment down below, turn on those notifications so you can be notified when I upload more videos for the blind guys. And yes guys, today I am going to be checking the new updates, you know guys, and I'm gonna be exploring this, you know. So before that, I'm gonna open my gift. So let's open my gift. I haven't opened it, so yeah.
Help, but Swordy Quest Lightning McQueen the boy level 1 unlocks 23 achievement. Swordy Quest Lightning unlocks gift.
Let me see the
Travel, fishing, portal, clans.
my progress.
PvP, Lightning, your XP progress going from level 111 to 112 is 79%.
Alright, we're close to 100.
Lightning, your XP progress going from level 111 to 112 is
112.
Lightning, PvP, clan, portal, fishing, travel.
Let's see what I got for my gift.
Gift. Thank you Lightning McQueen the boy for continuing to play Swordy Quest regularly. You have been gifted. Berries 34, silver coins 1110, golden gems 2.
Yes!
More gifts every day.
Alright!
A gift for Lightning McQueen the boy. Thank you Lightning McQueen the boy for continuing to play Swordy Quest regularly. You have been gifted. Berries 34, silver coins 1110, golden gems 2.
So I want
More
a
gifts every
lot
day.
of views guys. A lot of views on this video. Guys. So please watch my videos guys. Please. And shout out to Blind Live Gaming. So yeah guys. So we're back with Swordy Quest. Yes! Alright.
A gift. Actions homepage. Back button.
Let's go back.
Actions homepage. Unlocks 20. Travel.
Right.
Fishing. Tab bar. Camp.
Let's go
Camp
to
page.
camp.
Top support. Share with. Email. Review app. General. Heading. Settings. Player journal. Credits and Swordy Quest version 5.6 production.
So it's version 5.6. So yeah.
Credit. Player. Setting. Play. Credits and release notes.
Let's
Credits.
go to the
Learning
credits.
underscore. Verdict. Release 5.6. Release goal. The aim of this release was to completely refactor the fight screen code so it was more flexible for changes in the future and less prone to bugs. Also, loot drops by enemies has been increased across the board. Accessibility. Star lowered the volume of certain noisy songs so voiceover is easier to hear. Star reworked how fighting voiceover system works to make it more reliable. Star removed the term dimmed during battles since it added nothing. Game balance. Star added extra loot drops by dragons and demon sharks. Star doubled some of the base resources given by infinite beasts. Star fishing events and gathering events now give more gems too. Star increased loot drop by all enemies. User interface. Star fixed font size of title for iOS 15. Usability. Star added hint about getting obsidian gear as a priority when first entering the beyond to make battles easier. Star updated description of tickets, so use tickets remaining in inventory makes more sense. Sounds. Star added random singer sound snippets when going from hunting to fighting. Star added snoring chimes when sleeping. Bug fixes. Star fixed bug where eating battle snacks would announce the swing button information. Text field. Double tap to edit camp, back button. Camp,
Alright.
camp page.
So that's
Credits
cool,
and release
guys.
notes. Tab bar, actions, tab, 1,
So,
actions
yeah.
homepage, travel, Swordy Quest unlocked, travel, fishing, portals, clans,
let me see
PvP,
here.
lightning, your XP, health, water, 88%,
Alright.
stamina, 100, food, 86%. Tab bar, inventory
We
page.
just drink
Special
water.
expand food section, collapse section, select water to fully interact. You own 9,176. Each provides 3 points of water to keep you hydrated.
Right.
You each provide current hold drink 5 water button. Can't consume any more water. You own 9,171 water. Can't current close consume water pop up. Close consume water pop up. Special expand foods collapse select berries to fully interact. You own 42,301. Each provides 2 food and
Let's eat my berries.
you own eat 5 berries button. Can't consume current close consume berries. Select berry select dollar gel to fully interact.
Alright.
Tab bar actions tab
Now
1 to 5
I'm gonna be
actions homepage.
fishing because
Swordy Quest unlocks travel.
I'm gonna be showing you new sound effects when you hit a shark or other enemies guys. So yeah guys.
Fishing.
Alright.
You're fishing.
So
Your
here
raft
we
is
go.
moved cast line button. Cast line. Lightning McQueen the boy caught 4 sushi. Fish again button.
Right.
Cast line.
Come on, shark. Are you there, shark? Yeah. Alright, and they also added sound effects when you encounter with a enemy like the sharks and other types of creatures in the Swordy Quest. So yeah guys. So it's very cool guys, you know. So let's fight with the flame shark.
Swing a flame shark with health 200. Hit 18, hurt 14. Hit 14, hurt 0. Hit 14, hurt 18. Hit 14, hurt 0. Hit 18, hurt 0.
Wow.
Hit 16, hurt 17. Hit 17, hurt 0. 0, hurt 16. Hit 0, hurt 17. 17, hurt 16. Swing a flame shark, consume aloe gel, button.
Alright, guys.
Swing a flame shark with health 72. Hit 14, hurt 0. Hit 14, hurt 0. Hit 0, hurt 15. Hit 0, hurt 0. Hit 15, hurt 17.
Yes.
Hit 17, hurt 18. Hit 15.
Yes.
You killed the flame shark. Loot beaten, consume aloe gel, button.
I'm gonna eat. So yeah.
Loot beaten flame shark, button. Lightning McQueen, the boy looted sushi, 45. Leather, 40. Heading.
Alright.
Leave the battle area having looted, button. Swordy Quest, Lightning McQueen, the actions, home, unlocked, travel, fishing, port, clan, PV, Lightning, PvP.
Alright,
New
guys,
matches.
I'm gonna be doing
Go to
some
bat tab.
PvP.
Invent. Select. Go to battle. Instructions on the next. Swordy Quest. Add button. Your turn. Des Moines no Forge game.
Alright.
Continuing your team. Fern Cruise 1. Fire rep. Fern Cruise 147. Fire rep. Health. 14 of 19. Strength 20. Des Moines. Fire reptile. Health 1. Health 8 of 8. Strength 16. No element. Attack enemy. Button. Attack enemy.
Yes!
Fire reptile.
I won, guys. Let's go.
You dealt 8 base damage and won the fight. You've made 30 silver coins on your original 10 bet plus 1 gold and gems.
Yes. Alright.
Fern Cruise 147. Fire reptile. Health 74%. Health 14 of 19. Strength. Des Moines 04. Fire reptile. Health 0 of 8. Strength 16.
Wow.
No element. Select favorite tame. Go to battle. Instruction done. Button. Your turn. Button of 78 game. Actions home. Continue. You dealt 8. Fern Water Lizard. Health 33%. Health 5 of 15. Strength 11. Button of Wood Health 8 of 16. Strength. No attack enemy. Button. Attack enemy. Dimmed. Water Lizard.
Right.
You dealt 5 base damage. Return later
Oh
to
my
see if they
God.
have fought back. Fern Water Health 5 of 15.
Oh my god, guys. I'm very scared. I am very scared for this PvP fight, guys. So
Strength. Button of Wood Health 19%. Health 3 of 16.
Alright.
Health 19%. Health 3 of 16. Strength 19.
Alright.
No element. Select. Go to battle. Instruction done. Button. Your turn. Your game.
Alright.
Your add. Swordy done. So add button.
Let me see
Add.
if there's someone over here.
Fern play invite start game button start game dimmed. Actions homepage continue. You dealt Fern fire rep health strength Bob's water lizard health 1 health 9 of 9
Oh.
strength no element attack and select favorite go to battle instruction done button Swordy done
If I
button
use my fire reptile,
Swordy add button Swordy done button
let me do this.
unlocked trap fish port clan PvP new matches fit 1 hot 5 1 select go to select favorite tame selected tame will be used selected wood critter water wood critter health new matches minimum go tab invent select go to battle instruct done your turn Bob star 40 S game
Let's attack him, guys.
actions player versus player
Hopefully
PvP.
I can
You
win.
accept Fern wood critter health 19 of 19 strength 15
Yeah.
Bob star 40 water health 100% health 9 of 9
Come on.
strength 19 wood attack enemy button
Here we go, guys. Be ready.
attack enemy dim
Yes!
wood critter
Oh, that worked.
you dealt 2 base damage plus 9 element damage wood beats water and won the fight
Yes.
you've made 30 silver coins on your original 10 bet plus 1 gold and gems
Alright.
Fern wood health strength 15 health 19 of 19
Wow.
strength 15
In one hit, I killed this person on PvP.
Bob star water
Wow.
health 0% health 0 of 9 strength 19 woodward select go to battle
Alright.
instruction done button
Now let's go
actions homepage back button
and fight some enemies.
actions unlocked trap fishing
Alright.
portals clan portal fishing travel fishing
So let's see.
travel
Let
map
me go
page
to the
return to actions
to
homepage
the-
button
to a shrine
the beyond set auto travel location
so
or
I
set auto
can
travel
buy a potion.
closest frog closest hill village closest hillkey shrine closest hillkey shrine
Here it is.
travel 50 map page auto travel closer to shrine 5 squares away button reach shrine actions homepage unlocked travel worship hints supporters manage quest alchemy community alchemy concoct
Go
potions
here.
using general defense create enough resources track button gluttony potion create a gluttony potion you own 0 of these button
Alright.
spirit guide appears saying trade for gluttony potion water and food not needed when active
Yes, of course.
trade for gluttony potion enough resources to create defense melting potion 43 owned and this item needs 3 demon hearts track not resources required 100 not enough resources to create a gluttony potion you own spirit guide appears saying not enough resources for gluttony potion you still need 145 ice crystals gather some more buy resources pack in progress
I know
basic
what I'm
resources pack is at create potions back button create potions create potion concoct general items heading concoct potions
Alright.
using recipe actions homepage back button
Let's go back.
actions
and
homepage
let me
settings
drink my
tab bar
potion.
inventory select bear collapse select gluttony potion to fully interact you own 1 water and food not needed when active
Right.
gluttony close potion drink potion select invisibility and collapse section hand rock store expand resources expand store Rod, hand, and collapse section. Enchantments. Select invisibility potion to fully interact.
And also
Enchantment
I got
section,
my
4 of 15.
enchantment
Collapse section,
So
button.
yeah, let's
Collapse
see
section.
What
Expand
do we
section,
have
button.
here?
Story section, 5 of 15. Expand section, button. Enchantment section, expand section, collapse section. Hand enchant. You own 1. Ring that increases gatherings critical gathers. Charges, 78. Power, 96.
Alright.
Hand enchant. You own 1. Ring that increases gatherings critical gathers. Charges, 100. Power, 40.
I got 2 of them.
Rod enchant. You own 1. Ring that increases fishing rods critical casts. Charges, 99. Power, 53.
Alright. That's cool.
Hand, collapse, enchantment. Select invisibility potion to fully interact. You own 1. Enemies stop random attacks.
Let me drink this potion.
Potion ready to drink. Close potion. Drink potion. Drink potion. Tab bar. Actions. Tab. 1 of 5.
Now I'm gonna
Travel.
go to the
Worship. Unlocked. Travel.
infinite.
Worship. Hints. Supporters. Manage quest. Alchemy. Community. Portals. Currently in the beyond. Sort current. Selected. The infinite. Button. 2 of 2. Selected. Use portal to the use portal to the infinite.
Alright.
Swordy Quest. Lightning McQueen. Actions. Homepage. Unlocked. Travel.
Let's go to the
Map
dragon.
page.
Let's
Return to
fight
actions
the
home.
dragon.
Set auto travel locate. Set auto close it. Zen. Drag. Order desk. Dragon. Travel 50. Map page. Auto travel closer to dragon 84 squares away. Reach dragon. Auto travel closer to dragon 84 squares away.
Right.
Actions homepage. Spirit guide appears saying, OK, button, OK. Dragon. Lightning McQueen with voice age. Intimidating flame dragon. Level 1. Appears green
I
arrow in
love
the
the
zone
sound
strength.
effect.
Ready to swing back automatically each fight round.
Yeah.
Lightning McQueen with flame dragon's health. Swing a flick, consume arrow gel. Clan ward auto tab bar.
I'm gonna
Inventory
select
page.
my
Select
cactus
invisible and collapse. And collapse section. Potion section. Select up. Select cactus fruit to fully.
Alright.
Tab bar. Action. You own 45 actions. Tab. Swing a flame dragon with help. Consume cactus fruit. Button.
Let's kill this dragon.
Swing a flame dragon with health. Swing a flame dragon with health 244. Lightning McQueen the voice 1 hit 3 per 30. Hit 4 per 0. Swing a flame dragon with health 204. Hit 3 per 29.
Wow.
Hit 0 per 0. Swing a flame dragon with health 200. Hit 0 per 29. Swing a flame dragon with health 200. Swing a flame dragon with health 234. Lightning McQueen the swing a flame dragon with health 234. Lightning McQueen the voice hit 4 per 0.
Yes.
Hit 3 per 29.
Wow.
Consume cactus 58% chance of hit. Swing a consume cactus fruit button. Swing a flame dragon with health
And it
227.
also tells
Lightning
you,
McQueen the voice 100. Consume swing a flame dragon with health 227. Lightning McQueen the voice 169. Just dealt 3 damage and received 29
Before you
button.
hit him, it tells you how much damage you make to the dragon or other enemies. So yeah.
Hit 3 per 32. Hit 0 per 32. Swing a flame dragon with health 200. Hit 0 per 0. Swing a flame dragon with health 200. Hit 0 per 30. Swing a flame dragon with health 224. Lightning McQueen the voice.
No.
Hit 3 per 32. Swing a flame dragon.
No. Alright.
Consume cactus fruit button. Swing a flame dragon. Hit 3 per 30. Hit 3 per 31. Swing a flame dragon with health 200. Hit 3 per 31. Swing a flame dragon with health 212. Hit 3 per 30. Swing a flame dragon with health 209. Lightning McQueen.
Oh my god.
Consume cactus fruit button. Swing a flame dragon. Swing a flame dragon with health 209. Lightning McQueen the voice 100. Hit 3 per 32. Hit 0 per 0. Swing a flame dragon with health 206. Hit 3 per 31. Swing a flame dragon with health 203. Hit 3 per 30. Swing a flame dragon with health 200. Hit 3 per 31. Consume cactus fruit button.
Alright.
Swing a flame dragon. Swing a flame dragon with health 197. Lightning hit 0 per 0.
Die.
Hit 3 per 0. Hit 0 per 32. Hit 3 per 31. Swing consume cactus fruit button. Swing a flame dragon with health 100. Hit 4 per 0.
Yes.
Hit 3 per 30.
Yes.
Hit 0 per 0. Swing a
No.
flame dragon with health 100. Hit 0 per 0. Hit 3 per 0. Hit 4 per 31.
Yes.
Hit 3 per 0. Hit 4 per 33. Swing a flame dragon with health 100. Hit 4 per 29.
Yes.
Consume cactus fruit button.
I hit him like 6 times.
Swing a flame dragon with health 166. Lightning. Hit 0 per 0. Hit 3 per 29. Hit 0 per 29. Swing a flame dragon with health 163. Lightning McQueen the voice 107. Hit 3 per 0. Hit 4 per 31.
No.
Consume cactus fruit button. Swing a flame dragon with health 150. Hit 3 per 29. Hit 4 per 32. Swing a flame dragon. Hit 0 per 29. Swing a flame dragon with health 149. Lightning McQueen the voice 100. Hit 3 per 29. Swing a flame dragon with health 146. Let consume cactus fruit button.
Alright. Almost there, guys.
Swing a flame dragon. Swing a flame dragon with health 146. Lightning McQueen, the boys 100. Hit 3, hurt 33. Hit 0, hurt 0. Swing a flame dragon with health 100. Hit 0, hurt 0. Hit 0, hurt 32. Hit 4, hurt 0. Hit 3, hurt 0. Hit 0, hurt 33. Swing a flame dragon with health 136. Lightning McQueen, the boys. Hit 4, hurt 0. Consume cactus fruit.
Alright,
Button.
I missed.
Swing a flame dragon with health 132. Lightning McQueen, hit 3, hurt 0. Hit 3, hurt 32. Hit 3, hurt 0. Hit 3, hurt 32. Hit 0, hurt 31. Swing a flame dragon with health 120. Lightning McQueen, the boys, hit 3, hurt 29. Swing a flame dragon with health 117. Let consume cactus fruit. 58% chance of hit 6. Swing consume cactus fruit. Button.
Right? Almost there.
Swing a flame dragon with health 107. Hit 4, hurt 31.
Yes.
Hit 3, hurt 32. Swing a flame dragon. Hit 0, hurt 29. Swing a flame dragon with health 110. Lightning McQueen, the boys 106. Hit 3, hurt 33. Swing a flame dragon with health 1. Hit 3, hurt 32. Consume cactus fruit. Button. Swing a flame dragon with health 104. Lightning McQueen. Hit 3, hurt 0. Hit 0, hurt 32. Hit 0, hurt 33. Hit 3, hurt 32. Consume cactus fruit.
Right.
Button. Swing a flame dragon with health 98. Hit 3, hurt 30. Hit 4, hurt 30. Swing a flame dragon with hit 0, hurt 29. Swing a flame dragon with health 91. Lightning McQueen, the boys 100. Hit 3, hurt 31. Swing a flame dragon with health 88. Lightning consume cactus fruit. Button. Swing a flame dragon. Hit 3, hurt 29. Hit 3, hurt 0. Swing a flame dragon with health 85. Hit 4, hurt 31.
Alright.
Swing a flame dragon with health 78. Swing a flame dragon with health 78. Lightning McQueen, the boys 70. Swing a flame dragon with health 78. Lightning consume cactus fruit. Button. Swing a flame dragon with health 78. Hit 4, hurt 0. Hit 0, hurt 32. Hit 3, hurt 0. Hit 0, hurt 30. Hit 3, hurt 33. Swing a flame dragon with hit 3, hurt 0. Hit 3, hurt 31. Swing a flame dragon with health 62. Hit 4, hurt 30. Consume cactus fruit. Button.
Alright.
Swing a flame dragon with health 58. Lightning. Swing a flame dragon with health 58. Lightning McQueen, the boys 160. Hit 3, hurt 0. Hit 4, hurt 0.
Yes.
Hit 3, hurt 0.
Yes.
Hit 0, hurt 31.
No.
Hit 0, hurt 33. Hit 3, hurt 0.
Yes.
Hit 0, hurt 0. Hit 0, hurt 33. Swing a flame dragon with health 45. Lightning. Hit 3, hurt 0. Swing a flame dragon with health 42. Lightning McQueen, consume cactus fruit.
Alright.
Button.
I love it.
Swing a flame dragon with health 42. Hit 3, hurt 32. Hit 3, hurt 33. Swing a flame dragon with health 39. Hit 4, hurt 30. Swing a flame dragon with hit 4, hurt 33. Consume cactus fruit. Button.
Almost there, guys.
Swing a flame dragon with health 28. Lightning. Hit 3, hurt 0. Hit 3, hurt 0. Hit 3, hurt 32. Hit 3, hurt 30. Hit 3, hurt 33. Swing a flame dragon with health 16. Swing a flame dragon with health 13. Lightning McQueen, the boys. Swing a flame dragon with health 13. Lightning McQueen, consume cactus fruit. Button.
Alright.
Swing a flame dragon. Swing a flame dragon with health 13. Lightning McQueen, the boys 160. Hit 3, hurt 29. Hit 3, hurt 0. Hit 3, hurt 33. Swing a flame dragon with health 4. Consume. Swing a flame dragon with health 4. Consume cactus fruit. Button.
Alright.
Swing a flame dragon with hit 0, hurt 29. Hit 0, hurt 30. Swing a flame dragon with health 4. Consume. Swing a flame dragon with health 4. Lightning. Hit 3, hurt 31. Consume cactus fruit. Button. Swing a flame dragon with health 1. Lightning McQueen, the boys 169. Hit 3.
Yes.
Spirit guide appears saying, as you hit the dragon, it's more details. Close spirit guide. Close spirit guide. Go to flame dragon. You kill the flame dragon. Heading. Loot beat. Consume cactus fruit. Button.
Alright.
Loot beat and flame dragon. Lightning McQueen, the silver coins, 2,838. Golden gems, 1. Water, 120. Berries, 120. Meat, 120. Sushi, 120. Cactus fruit, 120. Aloe gel, 120. Silver coins, 1159. Dragon, 1. Dragon brains, 1. Dragon scales, 1. Dragon scales, 1. Heading.
Right.
Leave the battle area having
That's
looted.
good.
Button. Spirit guide appears saying, actions homepage. Close spirit guide. Close spirit guide.
Now we have to
Sleep.
sleep.
Sleep regenerates. Sleeping bag. Sleeping bag bonus. 0 dream. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Sleep plus 1. You are sleeping. Swordy Quest Lightning McQueen. Swordy Quest unlocks travel, fishing, portals, fishing, travel, fishing, clans, portals. Currently in the infinite. Swordy Quest. Use portal tab bar. Use portal to phone. Use portal to phone Tazia. Swordy Quest Lightning McQueen. Unlocks travel. Map page.
No forest.
Phone. Set auto travel location or set auto travel closest lake. Clear. Closed. Clear. Closed. Closed. Bar and home shrine. 12 closed bar and home everworn sea everworn ville closest everworn drop closest snowfield Avalon Shrine closest snow mountain closest snow shrubbery closest snow forest 20 travel 50 map page auto travel closer to snow forest reach snow forest
Yes.
actions homepage unlocks travel gather tap item below to gather it
Gather.
snow trees at vertical 1 horizontal snow trees at vertical 1 gathered wood 8 ice crystals 8 snow shrub at vertical 1 snow shrub at vertical 1 horizontal 2 gathered berries 6 snow trees at vertical 1 gathered wood 8 snow trees at vertical 1 snow trees at vertical 1 gathered wood 18 ice crystals 18
Whoa.
snow trees at vertical 1
Right.
snow trees at vertical 1 gathered wood 8 snow trees at vertical 1 snow trees at vertical 1 gathered wood 30 ice crystals 30
Yes.
snow trees at vertical 2 snow trees at vertical 2 gathered wood 12 snow trees at vertical 2 gathered wood 6 snow trees at vertical 2 gathered wood 10 snow trees at vertical 2 gathered wood 8 snow trees at vertical 2 gathered wood 8 snow trees at vertical 2 gathered wood 10 snow shrub at vertical 3 horizontal 1 gathered berries 42
Wow.
snow shrub at vertical 3 horizontal 2 gathered berries 8 snow trees at vertical 3 gathered wood 14 nothing left snow shrub at vertical 3 horizontal 5 gathered berries 36
Wow.
nothing left snow shrub at vertical 4 horizontal 1 gathered berries 6 snow trees at vertical 4 gathered wood 18 ice crystals 18
Yes.
snow trees at vertical 4 gathered wood 10 snow shrub at vertical 4 horizontal 4 gathered berries 6 snow trees at vertical 4 gathered wood 42 ice crystals 42
Wow.
snow trees at vertical 4 gathered wood 24 ice crystals 24 snow trees at vertical 5 gathered wood 18 ice crystals 18
Wow.
snow trees at vertical 5 vertical 5 gathered wood 6 snow trees at vertical 5 gathered wood 10 snow trees at vertical 5 horizontal 4 snow trees at vertical 5 gathered wood 24 ice crystals 24
Let's go.
snow trees at vertical 5 gathered wood 30 ice crystals 30
Woohoo!
snow shrub at vertical 5 horizontal 6 gathered berries 6
I'm doing magic.
snow trees at vertical 6 gathered wood 6 ice crystals 6
This song reminds me when I was on level 1, guys. So yeah, guys. And now I'm in level 111, guys. Can you believe it, guys? Now my big task to complete is to kill the demon shark. So yeah, guys. Let's first gather and then we'll take care of the rest of the sharks. So yeah.
snow trees at vertical 6 gathered wood 6 snow trees at vertical 6 gathered wood 12 snow shrub at vertical 6 horizontal 4 gathered berries 6 snow shrub at vertical 6 horizontal 5 gathered berries 12 hand and gen 1
Yeah! Yeah! Oh my god, guys.
snow trees at vertical 6
Alright.
gathered wood 14 ice crystals 14 golden gen 1
Whoa, guys, this is cool. Imagine that I gather 42 golden gems. That would be awesome.
snow shrub at vertical 7 horizontal 1 gathered berries 10 snow trees at vertical 7 gathered wood 6 snow trees at vertical 7 gathered wood 6 snow trees at vertical 7 gathered wood 6
This
ice
game
crystals 6 nothing left to gather from this
makes
snow
me
square
happy.
snow trees at vertical 7
Yeah.
snow trees at vertical 7 gathered wood 12 snow trees at vertical 8 gathered wood 10 nothing left snow shrub at vertical 8 horizontal 3 gathered berries 10 spirit guide appears saying great work Lightning McQueen boy you completely cleared this area of snowy shrub come back to find a new local area to farm careful though gathering so long could attract enemies total items gathered in this area wood 400 ice crystals 400 berries 148 hand enchant 1 golden gem 1
Alright, let's see my enchantment.
close spirit guide unlocks 20 travel gather hunt gather travel unlocks 23 achievement crystals trap gather hunt sleep port clan port sleep
Let's
sleep regenerates sleeping back 0 dreams 1 2 3 dreams 4 of 11 sleep plus you are sleeping
I love the new sound
Awake.
effect.
Swordy Quest
when
Lightning
you're
McQueen the boy
sleeping.
Swordy Quest Lightning
Oh,
McQueen the boy level
let's
112 is in
go.
closed tab bar selected actions tab
I
1 of 5
level up. Let's see what I got, guys.
close spirit guide appears saying you leveled up and are now level 112 Lightning McQueen the boy stats fully restored You won 1120 silver coins.
Alright. I wish that when you level up, it gives you like, instead of silver coins, you can get like 1000 golden gems, like to switch it up. That would be cool, guys, Leave in the comments. So yeah. Or at least 69 golden gems. Like they should put that in a update. So yeah.
Close Spirit Guide button. Close Spirit Guide.
Alright.
Spirit Guide appears saying you leveled up and are now level 112. Lightning Travel. Gather. Tab bar. Inventory page.
Enchantment.
Special expect food select potion collapse select button select invisibility enchant collapse section hand enchant. You own 1 ring that increases gatherings critical gathers. Charges 69 power 96. Hand enchant.
Right.
You own 1 ring that increases gatherings critical gathers. Charges 100 power 40. Rod enchant. You own 1 ring that increases fishing rods critical casts. Charges 99 power 53. Hand enchant. You own 1 ring that increases gatherings critical gathers. Charges 100 power 72.
Wow, now I have like 4 enchantments. Now I have to get the fighting enchantment. So yeah.
Story section 5 of 15.
Right.
Tab for next tab bar. Actions. Tab 1 of 5. Actions
Got it.
homepage. Travel. Gather. Hunt. Port. Clan. PvP. Clan. Portals.
Let's go
Currently
to
in
the
Fantasia. So currently selected. The Infinite button. Use portal to beyond button.
Let's go to the beyond.
Use portal to beyond. Swordy Quest Lightning McQueen. Actions. Unlock travel. Map page. The beyond. Set auto travel locate. Set auto travel closest lava shrubbery. Closest ocean. Closest lava. Closest lava. Closest ocean. 2. Travel 50. Map. Auto travel closer to ocean 2.
Let's go kill some sharks.
Actions homepage. Inventory. Craft. Tab. Map. Camp. Tab. Camp. Tab. Tab bar. Camp. Camp page.
Let me just
Top support. Community. Support us. Support us. Games. Active quests.
check my Swordy.
Swordy. Magic. Swordy book. FON. Expand. The collapse. Flame tree orc defeated. Flame soldier. Flame shark defeated 582.
Alright, 582.
Tab bar. Actions. Tab 1 of 5.
Let's kill
Travel. Fish. Swordy quest unlocked. Travel. Fishing. You're
some
fishing.
flame shark.
You're unlocked. You're fishing. Cast line. Button. Cast line. Lightning McQueen. The boy caught 13 sushi. Fish again.
Alright.
Button. Cast line. Cast line. Lightning McQueen. The boy caught 7 sushi. Fish again. But cast line.
Are you here, flame shark? Yes, I'm here.
Cast line.
Hey,
Lightning McQueen. The boy caught 12 sushi.
why did you escape, flame shark? Oh, because you're gonna kill me.
Fish again. Button. Cast line.
Well, I have to get to the demon shark, so you have to die, flame shark. No.
Cast line.
No, come over here. Ah! You better die, flame shark. You better die, flame shark.
Swing a flame shark with health 204. Lightning McQueen. Swing a flame shark with health 204. Lightning McQueen. Hit 0. Hurt 0.
You're blocking me.
Hit 14.
Take that.
Hurt 18. Hit 0. Hurt 21. Swing a flame shark with health 190. Hit 17. Hurt 19. Hit 13.
my
Hit
God.
15.
No.
Hit 14. Hurt 0.
It's hurting.
Hit 13. Hurt 0. Hit 0.
Stop
Hurt 0.
blocking. No, I
Hit
won't.
16. Hurt 0.
Yeah, take
Hit
that.
17. Hurt 17. Swing a flame shark with health 104. Swing a flame shark with health 104. Lightning McQueen. The voice 76.
I
Just dealt 15
got
damage.
you.
Consume cactus fruit.
Oh
Button.
yeah, you'll see about that, flame shark.
Swing a flame shark with health 104.
Take that.
16. Hurt 0. Hit 14. Hurt 19. Hit 15. Hurt 0. Hit 0. Hurt 0. Hit 0. Hurt 17. Hit 15. Hurt 20. Hit 17. Hurt 0. Hit 15. Hurt 0. Hit 15. You killed the flame shark.
Alright, the flame shark is dead, guys.
Loot beat. You killed the
Like-
flame shark. Heading.
He was escaping from me, guys. You heard him. So yeah, guys, but we killed him, So we had him.
Loot beat. Consume cactus fruit. Button.
Let's just eat a little bit.
Loot beat. You killed the flame shark. Heading. Flame shark stats. Hell. You killed loot beat and flame shark. Lightning McQueen. The boy looted sushi. 45. Leather. 35. Heading.
Alright.
Leave the battle area having looted. Swordy Quest Lightning McQueen. Lightning unlocked. Travel. Fishing. Portals. Fishing.
Let's
You're
get
fishing. Your raft is
one more
moving.
flame
Cast
shark.
line. Button.
Oh, do you think you're gonna capture me? Ha ha ha. I will, flame shark. There you are!
Lightning McQueen. Voice in turn. Flame shark. Level 12. Appear. Swing a flame shark with health.
Yeah! Oh my god.
Hit 12. Hurt 0. Hit 11. Hurt 0.
Die,
Hit 0.
flame
Hurt
shark.
0. Hit 0. Hurt 0.
Stop blocking me.
Hit 10.
I
Hurt 0.
will block you.
Hit 13. Hurt 0.
Now I'm
Hit
blocking
13,
you.
hurt 21. Hit 11, hurt 0. Hit 14, hurt 20. Hit 0, hurt 19. Swing a flame shark with health 100.
Hey.
Hit 0, hurt 23. Swing a flame shark with health 130. Hit 11. Swing a flame
Oh
shark,
my
consume
God.
cactus fruit, button.
Oh yeah. You wanna fight like that, Flame Shark?
Swing a flame shark with health
I'm gonna be
119.
showing you
Lightning
what
McQueen. Swing
you
a flame shark
fight.
with health 119. Lightning McQueen. The boys 100. Hit 13. Hurt 0. Hit 13. Hurt 21. Hit 13. Hurt 19. Hit 10. Hurt 0. Hit 12. Swing a flame shark with health 70. Lightning McQueen. The boys 100. Hit 10. Hurt 20. Swing a flame shark. Hit 14. Hurt 20. Swing a flame shark with health. Consume cactus fruit. Button.
I have my power.
Swing a flame shark with health 34. Lightning McQueen. Hit 11. Hurt 23. Hit 10. Hurt 19. Hit 11. Hurt 0. Hit 13. You killed the flame shark. Heading.
Yeah, let's go.
Consume cactus fruit. Button.
Alright.
Loot beaten flame shark. Lightning McQueen. The boy looted sushi. 55. Leather. 55. Leave the battle area having loot. Swordy Quest. Lightning McQueen. Lightning unlock. Travel. Fishing. Sleep. Fish. Sleep. Sleep regenerate stamina. Sleeping bad book. 0 dreams. Pick a right. 1 dream. 2 dreams. 3 of 11. Sleep. Plus 1. You are sleeping. Awake. Swordy Quest. Lightning McQueen. Swordy Quest. Swordy Quest. Light. Unlocked. Travel. Fishing. You're fishing. You're unlocked. You're fishing. Cast line. Button.
Right. Another Flame Shark?
Cast line. Lightning McQueen. The boy caught 6 sushi.
Alright.
Fish again. Button. Cast line. Cast line. Lightning McQueen. The boy sees a terrifying flame. Swing a flame shark with health 200. Lightning McQueen. The boys 106. Hit 18. Hurt 17. Hit 0. Hurt 0. Hit 16. Hurt 16. Hit 17. Hurt 18. Swing a flame. Hit 15. Hurt 0. Hit 0. Hurt 0. Hit 16. Hurt 18. Swing a flame shark with health 118. Lightning McQueen. The boys 100. Just hit 16. Hurt 0. Hit 17. Hurt 0. Hit 17. Hurt 18. Consume cactus fruit. Button. Swing a flame shark with health 35. Lightning. Swing a flame shark with health 35. Lightning McQueen. The boys 169. Hit 16. Hurt 0. Hit 15. Swing a flame shark with health 5. Lightning McQueen. The boy. You killed the flame shark. Loot beaten flame shark. Lightning McQueen. The boy looted sushi. 65. Leather. 85. Leave the battle area having looted. Swordy Quest. Lightning McQueen. Lightning McQueen. Unlock travel. Fish. Portals. Fishing. You're
Right.
fishing. Unlock 20. Cast tab bar. Cast line. Button. Cast line. Lightning McQueen. The boy caught 21 sushi. Fish again.
Let's
Button.
go.
Cast line. Cast line. Lightning McQueen. The boy caught 10 sushi. Fish again. Button. Cast line. Cast line. Lightning McQueen. The boy caught 19 sushi. Fish again. Button. Cast line.
Alright, one more Flame Shark and then I'm moving on. Come on. Yeah.
Lightning McQueen. The boy caught 10 sushi.
Okay.
Fish again. Button.
But I
Cast line.
have captured a Flame Shark. Well, let's try to get
Cast
There you
line.
are.
Lightning McQueen. The boy sees a terrifying flame shark. Levels. Swing a flame shark with health. Swing a flame shark with health 204. Lightning McQueen. The boys 1. Hit 16. Hurt 19. Swing a flame shark with health 200. Hit 17. Hurt 18. Swing a flame shark with health. Consume cactus fruit. Button.
Eat.
Swing a flame shark with health 100. Hit 17. Hurt 0. Hit 50. Hit 14. Hurt 20. Hit 16. Hurt 17. Hurt 19. Hit 13. Hurt 0. Hit 16. Hurt 0. Hit 17. Hurt 20. Hit 17. Hurt 0. Hit 13. Swing a flame shark with health 14. Lightning McQueen. The boys 93. Consume cactus fruit. Button.
Alright.
Swing a flame shark with health 1. Lightning McQueen. The boys 169. Just dealt 0
Wow.
damage and received 16.
Alright.
Button. Consume. Swing a flame shark with health 1. Lightning McQueen. The boys 169. Just dealt 0 damage and received 16. Button. Hit 14.
Yeah.
You killed loot beaten flame shark. Loot beaten flame shark. Lightning McQueen. The boy looted sushi. 40. Leather. 85. Heading.
Alright.
Leave the battle area having looted. Button. Swordy Quest. Lightning McQueen. Actions. Unlocked. Travel. Fishing. Sleep. Portal. Sleep. Sleep regenerate. Sleeping bad. Unlocked. Sleeping. 0 dreams. 1. 2 dreams. 3 of the sleep. Plus 1. You were sleeping. Awake. Swordy Quest. Lightning McQueen. Swordy. Unlocked. Travel. Fishing. Portals. Currently in the beyond. Swordy Quest. Currently select the infinite. Button. Select use portal to the use portal to the infinite. Swordy Quest. Lightning McQueen. Actions. Homepage.
Alright, we're here.
Unlock travel.
Now I'm gonna
Map
go
page.
to the village.
Set auto travel location or view. Set auto Zentorn Village. 31 square. Travel 50. Map page. Auto travel closer to village. Select reach village. Auto
And
travel closer to
I'm
village.
gonna
31
sell
squares away.
some items
Actions homepage.
that I
Swordy Quest.
don't
Lightning.
need.
Unlocked travel. Coin market. Use silver coins to trade. Unlocked 20. Unlocked 20. Unlocked 20. Buy goods. Sell goods. But Lightning Sushi. Each provides 15 food
Oh,
and
yeah,
2.0
guys,
health.
and
Offer is silver coins. 1 per item sold. You own 42,130
I
of
think,
this item.
the other day I got a gift as a dragon, guys. I got on my gift a dragon. So yeah, guys. So it's pretty cool, guys. You know, sometimes it gives you dragon. So if you are like a beginning player, maybe you're gonna get lucky and you're gonna get a dragon, guys. And you know, with that dragon, you can travel 50 squares. So without going to the beyond and fighting flame dragon, maybe you can get lucky. So yeah.
Enchantments. Heading. Vertical scroll bar. 90, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50, 60, 70, 80, 87, 90, 99%, 100%. Water lizard. Used for multiplayer. Wood. Water. Vertic. Tab. Invent. Select. Vertic. Water. Wood. Fire. Pain. Teeth. Music pipes. Hoofs. Used for generating silver coins. Buy low. Sell high. Offer is silver coins. 450 per item sold. You own 3 of this item. Tusks. Used for generating commodities. Heading.
Be selling.
Tusks. Used for generating silver coins. Buy low. Sell high. Offer is silver coins. 45 per item sold. You own 4 of this item.
Alright, let me sell.
Sell 1, but sell 2, button. Sell 4, button. Sell 0. Teeth used for tames. Teeth used for generating silver coins. Buy low, sell high, offer is silver coins. 9 per item sold. You own 6 of this item. Sell helmet, sell 3, button. Sell 6, button. Sell 0. Wood critter used for multiplayer PvP fights. Help,
No,
fire
I'm
whip,
not
tames, heading,
selling my
music pipes,
wood
used,
critter.
hoofs, music pipes used for generating silver coins. Buy low, sell high, offer is silver coins. 540 per item sold. You own 3 of this item.
And also I got my music pipes on a daily gift also, so yeah.
Sell how many music pipe? Sell 1, button. Sell 3, button. Food, heading. Sell 3, button. Sell 0. Sushi, each provides 15 food. Meat, each provides sushi. Aloe, cactus fruit, each provides vertical scroll. 40, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 89, 99%. Fire reptile, tame, hoofs, commodity. Stone rolling, commodities, heading, commodities, hoofs, used for generating silver coins. Buy low, sell high, offer is silver coins. 450 per item sold. You own 3 of this item. Sell 1, button. Sell 3, button. Sell 0. Wood critter, used for select an item. Food, heading, what food. Select Lightning McQueen. The boy owns 337,194 silver coins.
Alright.
Sell item. Buy or sell. Back button. Buy
Now
or sell.
let's go back.
Actions homepage. Back. Actions unlocked. Travel.
Now
Map
I'm
page.
gonna go be going to
Return to
the
action. Set auto travel location. Set auto travel.
to the Never Shrub.
Zentorn Village. Closest never door shrubbery. Closest never door shrub. Travel 50 map page.
this?
Auto travel closer to dense shrubbery. Reach dense shrubbery. Auto
And
travel closer
we're
to dense
gonna
shrubbery.
gather.
1 square away. Actions homepage. Swordy Quest Lightning McQueen. The boy. Level 112 is unlocked. 20. Travel. Gather. Hunt. Gather. Tap item below to gather it. Upper rocks at vertical. Tap at upper rock. Never shrub at vertical 1. Never shrub at vertical 1. Port. Gather. Berries 30. Cactus fruit 30.
Wow.
Aloe gel 30. Never shrub at vertical 1. Never shrub at vertical 1. Port. Gathered. Berries 14. Cactus fruit 14. Aloe gel 14. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 1. Port. Gathered. Berries 6. Cactus fruit 6. Aloe gel 6. Upper rocks at never shrub at vertical 1. Never shrub at vertical 1. Port. Gathered. Berries 14. Cactus fruit 14. Aloe gel 14. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 2. Port. Gathered. Berries 10. Cactus fruit 10. Aloe gel 10. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 2. Port. Gathered. Berries 10. Cactus fruit 10. Aloe gel 10. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 2. Port. Gathered. Berries 10. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 2. Port. Gathered.
Right.
Berries 6. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 2. Port. Gathered. Berries 6. Nothing left to gather. Nothing. Upper rocks at vertical. Upper rocks at vertical 3. Horizontal 1.
Rocks.
Gathered. Obsidian. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 3. Port. Gathered. Berries 12. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 3. Port. Gathered. Berries 10. Upper rocks at vertical 3. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 3. Port. Gathered. Berries 10. Cactus fruit 10. Aloe gel 10.
This video is recorded on a Monday, but I'm gonna be premiering on Tuesday, so yeah. Let's see. Hopefully I don't have homework, because tomorrow I'm going to tennis, guys. I play tennis, so but I'm gonna be premiering this video maybe on Wednesday, because tomorrow if I don't have tennis, I might premiere it at 5 p.m. or 6 p.m. So yeah.
Nothing left to gather. Nothing left to gather. Never shrub at vertical 4. Never shrub at vertical 4. Port. Gathered. Berries 8. Upper rocks at never shrub at vertical 4. Never shrub at vertical 4. Port. Gathered. Berries 24. Cactus fruit 24. Aloe gel 24. Never shrub at vertical 4. Never shrub at vertical 4. Port. Gathered. Berries 10. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 4. Port. Gathered. Berries 12. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 5. Port. Gathered. Berries 6. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 5. Port. Gathered. Berries 8. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 5. Port. Gathered. Berries 10. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 5. Gathered. Berries 8. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 5. Port. Gathered. Berries 10. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub at vertical 5. Gathered. Berries 12. Never shrub at vertical. Never shrub
Or
at vertical
maybe
6.
I won't
Gathered.
premiere it.
Berries 12. Never shrub at vertical 6. Never shrub at vertical 6.
I know that.
Gathered. Berries 18. Cactus fruit 18. Aloe gel 18. Never shrub at verticals. Never shrub at vertical 6. Port. Gathered. Berries 8. Upper rocks at never shrub at vertical 6.
Because
Never shrub
I
at vertical
think-
6.
I
Port.
think the new
Gathered.
update
Berries 6.
is
Nothing
coming-
left to gather. Never shrub at vertical 7. Never shrub at vertical
Maybe
7.
this Wednesday.
Gathered. Berries 14. Never shrub at vertical 7.
So
Never
yeah.
shrub at vertical 7. Gathered. Berries 18. Cactus fruit 18. Aloe gel 18. Upper rocks at never shrub at vertical 7.
I
Never
will
shrub at
premiere
vertical 7.
tomorrow, guys.
Gathered. Berries 30. Cactus fruit 30. Aloe gel 30. Never shrub at vertical 8. Never shrub at vertical 8. Or gathered. Berries 14.
Hopefully
Cactus
I
fruit
can
14.
premiere
Aloe gel
at
14.
7 p.m. or 8 or earlier if I don't have time.
Never shrub at vertical 8. Never shrub at vertical 8. Or gathered. Berries 6. Never shrub at vertical 8. Or gathered. Berries 10. Never shrub at vertical 8. Or gathered. Berries 14. Never shrub at vertical 8. Or gathered. Berries 8. Never shrub at vertical 8. Or gathered. Berries 18. Spirit
Whoa.
guide appears saying,
Wow.
Lightning McQueen the boy. You completely cleared this area. Never shrub. Come back to find a new local area to farm. Careful though, gathering so long could attract enemies. Total items gathered in this area, berries 422, cactus fruit 422, aloe gel 422, obsidian 6.
Alright, cool. So I'm gonna be ending the video here, guys. So if you like this video, subscribe, comment down below, turn on those notifications so you can be notified when I upload more videos for the blind, guys, you know. And yes, guys, subscribe, and yeah, guys, stay safe and blessings, guys.
Close spirit guide,
So yeah,
actions
I will
homepage,
be
settings
notifying
button,
you
speech off.
if there's new items to the game, guys, you know, because it's October, guys, you know, and Halloween is coming. Halloween is on the corner, so yeah, guys. So let me know in the comments what are you gonna do for Halloween. And yeah, guys, so yeah, stay safe, and I'm waiting for the big event from Halloween, guys. So yeah, so stay safe, and I will see you on my next video. I have other audio games for the blind, and yeah, guys, stay safe, and be waiting for my other game. I'm not sure if I'm gonna continue on Lost in Blindness, because the hardest part is chapter 18. No, chapter 9. No, yeah, it's chapter 18. Yeah. So I'm gonna be trying it. So yeah, guys. So stay safe and blessings. Bye, guys. Peace. Stay safe, guys.
Speech on.